Hello guys, it's good to have you back. In this video, we'll discuss something more interesting than we did the last time. And remember, in the last video, I taught you how to declare a variable by specifying the data type and the identifier and assigning value to it. But there is one thing I would like to chip in this video. So there's one thing I did not tell you guys. If you want to declare a variable, the identifier must not start with a number. Like this one now, number 1, you cannot say 1. If you compile it, you will get an error. So the identifier must start with a letter, and that is the way it works for other type of variables. Double variable, string variable, datetime variable do not start with the number, unless or else you will get an error. So moving away from that, in this video I'm going to teach you how to do basic calculations in MQL5. I'll teach you how to add, subtract, divide, and some other basic calculations. Let me delete this previously written code. Let me delete this. Let's say you want to build a calculator that adds two numbers together. Let's say you have number 10 and number 11. If you want to add the number together, this is how you will do it. You first declare the variable, and you remember, to declare a variable you need to first do what? Specify the data type, then give it a number. Okay, let me just name the number. Let me name this variable calculation, right? Equals, then you can just say, let's say the two number is 10 and 11. You just say type 10 plus 11, then end the line with a semicolon. Once you do that, compile it, then inside your start function, because this is a script, you can just print it out. Print calculation, end the line with a semicolon, compile. If you go to your MetaTrader 5 and you search for the script file under scripts, scriptbot, you see that you get 21 because it is an addition of both numbers. If you want to multiply both numbers together, all you need to do is just to change this to like star. Compile, go back to your MT5, click and drag. You will see that 10 times 11, 110. And secondly, another thing I did not explain to you guys is that you can declare a variable I explained to you guys the meaning of event handlers, that any code you want to write should be inside these two curly brackets of the event handler. But you can always declare variable outside of the event handler. Outside of event handler is where we call the global space. The global space, you can declare variable, any type of variable that you want, you can do it there. Now, if you want to divide two numbers together, you can just say 100. Let me divide 100 by 10. Then slash. You can see that. 10. Compile. Run your code. Automatically, the bot is going to divide 100 divided by 10, which is 10. So another way you can do your calculation is this. If you have two variables, two different variables, let me cancel this. You have two different variables, two integer variables. Int first, let me name this first underscore number, sorry, equals, let me name this 10. Let me name this, let me assign value 100 to it. That's the first variable. Then declare another variable, int second number is equals to, let me say 10. So you can go ahead inside your own, this your print function, you can say first number, right, divided by second number. If you compile it and run your code, it will automatically appear. And you can also do the same thing with addition. Addition, compile. This should be 110. If you run it, 110. You can clear your log by clicking and clear. If you want to subtract it, minus, compile, go back to your MetaTrader 5, run it, and automatically it will be there. So in the last video, I said in this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can customize the message you are printing out to your charts. You can see here that we are printing out the message, right? There are ways you can, modify it to make more sense. For example, if I want to print out a message here, let's say I want to print out something, you can just, if you want to print out a string, you don't need to declare a variable or whatever. You don't need to declare it. All you just need to do is to come inside this print function. I will explain to you the meaning of function later, but just to vibe along with me. Open a two double quotation mark rather. Write what you want to write. First number, right? A colon. Then after the quotation mark, add a comma. Then you can put type first number, the variable, right? After that, add another comma, then add two double quotation mark, then type in whatever you want to type in, whatever message you want to type, second number. Then after the quotation mark, add a comma, then you can type in the variable second number. Once you do that, it means you want to print the first number. You get something like this. Let me come here, run it. You can see first number 100, but I don't like the way it is arranged. This is what you can do. If you want this second number from here to here, if you want it to be on another line, this is what you do. Just add /n, which means it should start from a new line. If you compile, go to your MetaTrader 5. Let me clear this. If you run it, you are going to get the first number on the first line, then the second line. I think I made the mistake here. So let me give you a detailed explanation of what I just did here. This is more like saying you want the computer to print out this message for you. If you want to write a string, which means collection of letters or words, you have to use a quotation mark, right? Double quotation mark. Once you type in what you want to type first number, right? Then after the quotation mark, you add a comma. What you are telling the computer is that, computer, the next thing I want to write, maybe like a variable. We already said anywhere we write first number, I should replace it with number 11. But it is important for you to add this comma after the quotation mark. It is very, very important. After that, we said the computer should add first number, which is number 10, then add another comma, then followed by a quotation mark again. Then this \n, it means from that particular level, whatever it is printing out should start from another line. /n means new line. So that's why we said second number. Then after that again, you add a comma, second number, which is the variable. Once you do that, it's going to print it out for you. If you don't want to print, let's say you want to comment it on your chart, all I just need to do is to change the comment, compile, run the script. You will see it on your chart. You can see it here. First number, second number, 10. And if you want to send it as an alert, all you need to do is to come here, alert, change it to alert, compile, come to MetaTrader 5, then can you see? That is the way it works. Alright guys, so this is where we are going to stop in this video. Then tomorrow I'm going to drop the next part, which is going to be very interesting. Always feel free to ask questions in the comment section. I promise you I will reply immediately. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel so that when I drop the next video, you'll be notified. Thank you guys. Bye.